All right. What's happening? How you doing? Over there at YouTube, over there at Facebook. What's happening? Look here today at TC Installations. This is what we're gonna be working on. We're gonna be working on this 08 Crown Vic. Yes, sir. Let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing. Sit my chair on down right here for my customer. And what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be installing a double den. All right, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking this factory radio out. Yes, sir. We're going to be installing this here Boss double den. This here is the Boss BE7ACP with the Bluetooth 340 watts. MP3 compatible, AM, FM radio, you know, the normal, you know what I'm saying? But that's what we're going to be doing here today at TC Installations. If you need something like this, gosh, that beeping was killing me. But if you need something like this done, let me know, guys. You know, I got the best price in town. I got the best customer service. I got the best quality installs. Let me know if you need something like this done.